Just over a century has passed since the Östermalms Saluhall market hall was built in Stockholm. The market hall was officially opened in the presence of Sweden's King Oscar II on the 30th of November 1888. The building is considered one of the finest brick buildings in Sweden from the late 1800s, and it was designed by architects Isak Gustaf Claesson and Kasper Salin. It's now being renovated and modernized. This project is not short on challenges. The cathedral-like market hall is a listed building, so all parts of the project must be carried out with great care to avoid affecting or damaging the delicate structure. Also, the tight project deadline means that renovation tasks must be carried out concurrently in several locations. The planning office Kovi AB is leading this project under the auspices of the City of Stockholm. We were tasked by the planning office, Kovi, to build suspended ceiling scaffolding covering 918 square meters. At the same time, they stipulated that there should be no scaffolding structure on the ground. We got in touch with Layher's designers and worked out a solution together that made efficient use of time and which was very reliable and very safe. When RSG approached us with this interesting project and explained the unique challenges, I thought immediately of our Allround FW system. They needed a system with high load-bearing capacity, but which was a flexible, lightweight structure at the same time. The individual Allround FW system components have a low net weight, but at the same time the overall structure has a high load-bearing capacity. This enabled us to design a framework solution with an unsupported span width of 21.2 meters. Even so, it could be assembled using a new method without the use of cranes or other hoisting equipment. The Allround FW system is a modular framework which is completely integrated into Layher's Allround system dimensions. This framework structure comprises just 3 additional components: a post, a cord, and a length-adjustable diagonal rod. These are assembled by hand and connected with bolts and securing pins. All other parts, such as ledges, decks, and guardrails, are standard all-round components. The 3 different post heights and 3 different lengths of cords made it possible to ideally adapt the Allround FW system to meet the project-specific requirements for geometry, load-bearing capacity, and span width. The components fit perfectly into Layher's Allround system dimensions. This means that loads are centered and distributed in the best possible way. 4 technicians from RSG built the 918 square meter Allround FW system at a height of 11 meters above the market hall floor in 5 workdays. The entire 15-meter high work scaffolding, from which the old roof from 1888 was refurbished, was supported by the Allround FW system, which keeps the entire floor below clear for work. I don't know how we could have done this job without Layher's Allround FW system. We can provide the load-bearing capacity and span width, and it's flexible and easy to use. It was the key to carrying out this project safely and efficiently to meet the deadline.